In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Bluesky app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to download this Bluesky social media app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your smartphone. And here is my Play Store. So from here, go ahead and tap on Play Store. And then go ahead and use the search function, or if you can't see it, you'll see search here. So if you tap on it, now you can go ahead and type in Bluesky as one word, and then go ahead and tap on this search function. And you can see we have our Bluesky app here. So if you tap on it, you can see it must come from this Bluesky PBLLC. That is the company that owns this app. And it has currently over 51,000 reviews with a 3.8 star rating. The app is about 43 MBs in size with over 10 million downloads. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. So to download it, look at also the logo. Go ahead and now tap on install the app to begin the download. And this will go ahead and download the app. And once the download is done, it will be installed on your smartphone. From here, you can tap on open, or if you go back and then go ahead to your apps, now you should be able to see your Bluesky social media app. So that's how you can download and install the correct or the right Bluesky app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.